So how can people prepare? Can they? How can they be ready for this type of technology coming forward? Any opportunities or investment opportunities? We always try to look at what we can do to prepare for coming structural
Mhm.
changes.
So, first of all, I would say education is key. So,
Mm,
I imagine just the fact that they're listening to your podcast, it starts them off on the right track. I know you have great content and have had great educators on your show, like Michael Saylor, Seyfedina Moose, and
thank you. And you.
that's great.
And Jose Lemus too.
Thank you. So first of all, just get educated, then start experimenting with the technology. One thing is to hear about it and hear me telling you about, oh, well, you can do this and you can do that. But another one is actually getting the technology in your hands, which most people can do now. If you have a Cash App, guess what? You already have it because Cash App has
Yes.
Lightning. If not, you can download there's a whole host of Lightning wallets online. You can just Google them and download them and start sending out payments. Get with a friend, download one of you downloads one wallet, the other one downloads the other Lightning wallet, and you send across a couple of cents. Doesn't have to be much. But as you get familiar with this technology and get it demystified for you and get comfortable with it, then you can start to think about, well, do I really believe in it? If so, there are going to be Lightning companies going public in the near future. There's, for most of the listeners, they're going to be US based, I think. And as such, you can't really do private equity investments just because of compliance stuff, but they're going to be, first of all, you can get exposure to the assets. So buying Bitcoin is always a good thing. And then beyond that, you're probably going to be able to invest in some of these Lightning companies as they go public. And that would be another recommendation I have.
Thank you so much for that. And I think you made a key point there is that you learn by experience. So the best thing to do is, even if it's just a few cents, just use the apps, use these platforms so you get familiarized with it and you're able to prepare for when they could become mainstream. And it's the most important thing is you could read all the books, watch all the podcasts, but use it for yourself and get comfortable with them. Wise words. And yeah, we'll be looking for those other
Yeah.
companies that come forward with it.